In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send emails using Brevo. Once you are logged into your Brevo account, start by looking at the left sidebar, find Marketing, and click it to expand the options. From there, select Campaigns. This is the main area where you create and manage email campaigns, so it is the best place to begin when you want to send a message to your audience. Next, click Create Campaign. Brevo will ask what type of campaign you want to create. Choose Email, then Continue. This tells Brevo you are building a standard email campaign, not an SMS or another format. Now you will be asked to create a campaign name. Enter a clear descriptive name that helps you recognize this campaign later, especially if you run several campaigns over time. A good name usually includes the purpose of the email and a date or version. After you name the campaign, proceed to the next part. At this point, click Design Email. This is where you choose how your email will look. Brevo offers templates that can save you time and keep your layout consistent and professional. Select a template that fits your message, then click Use Template. After the template loads, take a moment to confirm that the overall structure matches what you need, even when you plan to customize later. Starting with the right layout helps everything move faster. When you are ready to move on, click Save and Quit. This saves your progress and returns you to the campaign setup flow, so you can finish the remaining settings before sending. Now it is time to choose who will receive the email. Click Add Recipients, then select a list. Make sure you pick the correct list, since this controls exactly which contacts will get the campaign. It is a good habit to double-check the list name to avoid sending to the wrong audience. Finally, click Schedule. In the scheduling options, select Send Now. This will launch the email campaign immediately, using the design and recipient list you selected. Once you confirm, Brevo will begin sending your email. That covers everything you need to know.